two things that you're gonna find out. She fights like a man and she cusses real loud. If I was smarter, I'd have stayed myself at home and leave the redneck girls alone.
Redneck girls are traps, talking dirty to me. She been around, she might have to clap. Her 3 divorces turning me on. She get her drunk, she get on her back, she at the bar. Buy more drinks, she like Bud Light. Drink it from the tap, they like to call you honey.